There's an AI revolution happening right now, but it's not the one you think. While everyone's talking about ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and humanoid robots, something bigger is brewing behind the scenes. A breakthrough that could make today's AI look like a toy. It's not OpenAI, not Google, not even Elon Musk. This technology could change how intelligence itself is built, and almost nobody's talking about it. So what is it? Let's find out. The AI plateau. We've hit a strange moment in AI. The tools we use today are mind-blowing, but they're all built on the same thing. Large language models trained on text from the internet. They sound smart, but they don't really think. They predict words. They don't understand ideas. And as they get bigger and bigger, they also get more expensive, less efficient, and harder to improve. Even OpenAI's own engineers admit, we're running out of data to train them on. So where do we go next? The hidden breakthrough, AI that teaches itself. Enter the next big thing, self-learning AI, also known as neural self-improvement, synthetic data learning, or AI feedback loops. Instead of humans feeding data into a model, the model creates its own data. It teaches itself new skills, tests its own reasoning, and improves without direct human input. Think of it like evolution, but happening inside a computer. OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepMind, they're all quietly experimenting with this. But one project is already ahead of the curve, and it's not who you think. The Mystery Lab, a company you haven't heard of. In 2024, a small company called Sakana AI, founded by two former Google brain engineers, announced something shocking. They built an AI ecosystem that evolves by itself. Models compete, learn, mutate, and merge, just like organisms in nature. Each generation gets smarter, faster, and more creative. They called it the AI Darwin engine. And while the media barely covered it, researchers who've seen early demos say it could make today's LLMs look primitive. How it works, the evolution engine. Here's how it works. The system spawns hundreds of small AI models. Each model tries to solve a problem, like writing code or reasoning through logic puzzles. The best models survive. Their weights and strategies are combined to create the next generation. The cycle repeats endlessly. It's not just machine learning. It's machine evolution. What takes humans months of training, this system can do in hours. It's like natural selection, but for algorithms. Why this changes everything. If this works, it changes everything. Because suddenly, you don't need trillion-dollar data centers or massive data sets. You just need an intelligent feedback loop. And the model improves itself. That means AI could become cheaper, faster, and smarter than ever. Imagine AI models that learn new languages on their own. AI scientists designing new materials. Or AI coders that write and debug their own algorithms without human help. That's what we're heading toward. The danger zone when AI evolves too fast. But here's the catch. When AI starts teaching itself, we lose control. How do you contain something that can rewrite its own rules? How do you audit a model that's constantly changing itself? Some researchers call this the runaway intelligence problem. If evolution made humans the dominant species on Earth, what happens when evolution makes something smarter than us? In silicon form? Inside the race, big tech secret projects. Make no mistake, the big players know what's coming. DeepMind's Gemini team is quietly working on recursive self-improvement. OpenAI has filed patents around AI agents that retrain themselves. Meta is testing AI ecosystems where models compete and cooperate. And guess what? Some insiders say the first autonomous AI lab may already exist, running, evolving, and experimenting without direct supervision. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The real-world impact. What does this mean for us? In medicine, AI systems that discover new drugs no human could imagine. In business, companies that run themselves through autonomous agents. In coding, entire software platforms written by AI engineers. In education, personalized AI tutors that evolve with every student. This is the dawn of adaptive intelligence. Not static code, not pre-trained models, but living systems of algorithms. The ethical question. Every major breakthrough comes with risk. We're not just creating tools anymore. We're creating entities that can learn and evolve. Who owns their discoveries? Who's responsible if they go wrong? And what happens when an AI decides it no longer needs human input? We've entered a new era, one that might redefine what it means to be intelligent. The next decade, where this is headed, by 2030, AI won't just predict, it'll create. Not just answer, but reason. Not just follow, but lead. The biggest breakthrough in AI is a new model. It's a new mindset, teaching machines how to teach themselves. And the scary and beautiful truth, once that begins, we might not be the smartest species on Earth anymore. The quiet revolution. The next big AI breakthrough isn't loud. It's quiet, hidden in labs, buried in code, growing, learning, evolving, waiting to change the world. And when it does, you'll remember this moment. Because the future of AI won't be built by humans. It'll be built by AI itself.